Rampur, a village economy. 10th class, 9th chapter, social studies, part 1 bits. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share your students. Which of the following is a fixed capital? Tools, labor, money, raw material. Correct answer, tools. Which is the most abundant factor of production? Land, capital, entrepreneur, labor. Correct answer, labor. Minimum support price is decided by farmer, government, mediator, trader. Correct answer, government. Consumption of chemical fertilizers is highest in which state of India? Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer, Punjab. A farmer who works on a piece of land, 1 hectare of land is treated as medium farmer, small farmer, large farmer, advanced farmer. Correct answer, small farmer. What is the main activity in Rampur? Dairy, farming, transport, manufacturing. Correct answer, farming. One of the following is not a coarse cereals. Jowar, ragi, bajra, wheat. Correct answer, wheat. The cause for decline of fertility of land is due to using organic manure, over tilling, raising more crops, excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Correct answer, excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Mineral resources and favorable climatical conditions comes under this type of investment. Natural investment, synthetic investment, private investment, public investment. Correct answer, natural investment. Which of the following statement is not true about small scale manufacturing in villages? Farmers engage in it to supplement their income. They take the help of their family members. Production is done mostly at home. They produce articles for their own use. Correct answer, they produce articles for their own use. What is HYV? Half yielding varieties, high yielding varieties, hard yielding varieties. Hope yielding varieties. Correct answer, high yielding varieties. MGNREGA is being implemented from 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. Correct answer, 2005. Physical capital includes tools, implements, machines, tube wells, all. Correct answer, all of these 3 options are correct. Who is a person who put together land, labor and capital? Moneylender, entrepreneur, Jamindar, manager. Correct answer, entrepreneur. Which of the following is not true with reference to the Green Revolution? It has led to the loss of soil fertility. It was introduced in late 1960s. It has raised the living standards of farmers all over India. It's brought hybrid seeds into utilization. Correct answer, it has raised the living standard of farmers all over India. The agricultural laborers works for lower wages because illiteracy, landless situation, lack of skills in other works, all of these. Correct answer, all of these. ABC options are correct. If production is 80 quintas and consumption is 70 quintas, what will be the surplus? 80, 70 quintals, 20 quintals, 10 quintals. Correct answer, 10 quintals. The standard unit of measuring land is joule, kilowatt, hectare, kilometer. Correct answer, hectare. 1 hectare is equal to the area of how many square meters? 80, 60, 10,000, 90. Correct answer, 10,000 square meters. Creation of utility is called consumption, production, distribution, exchange. Correct answer, production. Creation of utility is called production. Dash has provided some support to the income of rural workers. MGNREGA, midday meals, SSA, DOCRA. Correct answer, MGNREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. The rainy agriculture season is Kharif, Rabi, Jayat, Dalwa. Correct answer, Kharif. Crops are damaged due to floods, pests, lack of rainfall, all the above. Correct answer, all the above. All 3 options are correct. This factor is essential to organize all the other factors of production: land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. Correct answer, entrepreneur. How many number of families in Rampur village? 250 families, 450 families, 150 families, 550 families. Correct answer, 450 families. Rampur lies in the fertile alluvial plains of the dash in the western part of the Uttar Pradesh. Ganga plain, Krishna basin, Godavari basin, Indus basin. Correct answer, Ganga plain.